Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set a Toyota Corolla timing chain. First, gather all your essential tools, like a reliable torque wrench and fresh gaskets. Safety is paramount, so make sure your engine is completely cool and the battery is disconnected before you begin. Next, carefully remove any parts that are blocking your access to the timing chain cover. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient process for the upcoming steps. Now, let's focus on precise alignment. Carefully rotate the crankshaft until its timing mark perfectly lines up with the corresponding mark on the engine block. Simultaneously, check that the camshaft sprocket marks align correctly with the cylinder head marks. It's crucial to confirm that piston 1 is at top dead center on its compression stroke for accurate timing. This step is foundational for proper engine operation. With your marks aligned, it's time to install the timing chain. Begin by carefully placing the chain onto the crankshaft sprocket, ensuring it seats correctly. Then, meticulously route the chain over the camshaft sprockets, making sure to maintain consistent tension throughout the entire process. Double-check that all your timing marks are still perfectly aligned once the chain is fully seated. This careful placement is absolutely crucial to prevent any future engine issues. Finally, install the timing chain tensioner, following the manufacturer's specific instructions for proper operation. Once installed, slowly rotate the crankshaft 2 full revolutions by hand. This allows you to recheck all your timing marks, ensuring they still align perfectly. After confirming, reassemble all the components you removed, making sure to torque every bolt to its exact specification. You're almost done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.